Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have something really amazing for you. Would you rather design your dream future house with unique fun choices? But before we dive in, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's get started. First choice. What kind of house would you create? Now it's time to decorate. Let's start with your bedroom style. Step it up. Which staircase do you like best? Movie night is here. Which home theater matches your vibe? Relax mode on. Choose the massage chair that feels perfect. Time to get cozy. Which fireplace keeps your room warm? What lamp will light up your world? Study zone alert. Which desk would you choose? Bubble bath time. Pick the tub you'd soak in. Quick challenge. Comment your favorite food, your favorite movie, or your favorite animal. We want to know more about our lovely viewers. Game on. Which gaming chair is perfect for you? Which swing would you play on all day? Make your choice. Toilet showdown. Which design is the funniest? Pick the washing machine that makes chores fun. Time to cuddle. Which plush toy is your buddy? Breakfast is ready. What's on your plate? Knock knock. Which door would you open first? Gamer alert. Which PlayStation would you play on? Memory challenge. Remember the position of every Labubu. Where is Blue Labubu is hiding? The Blue Labubu is hiding under number 4. Shower time. Which style do you pick? What nightstand belongs by your bed? Pick one. Which jacuzzi wins your vote? Time to pick your comfy couch. Which sofa is yours? Which chair do you pick? Which one looks coziest to you? Music lovers. Which piano would you play? Flower power. Which bouquet makes you smile? It's time to pick your bunk bed. Which one you want to jump in? Ding dong. Which mailbox greets your guests? What fridge would you keep in your kitchen? Splash zone. Which inflatable pool is yours? Which fountain makes you say wow? Pick your mission. Like this video, comment your favorite color, or hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Glow time. Pick the neon light that looks the coolest. What view do you want to wake up to? Tick-tock. Which wall clock fits in your room? Garden goals. Which one would you grow? Choose the gate that protects your mansion. Pick your favorite tree. Which one you want in your dream home? Challenge for SpongeBob fans? Can you find the different SpongeBob emoji? Time's up. It's hiding right here. Did you get it? Roof time. Which style tops your house? Which balcony view is totally yours? Every pet needs a bed. Which one would you choose? Step inside. Which flooring matches your home? Music lovers unite. Which music instrument you want to play? Chill out. Which lounger makes you relax the most? Garage goals. Which dream car matches with your vibe best? Now pick your aquarium. Which aquarium do you want in your house? Party time. Which outdoor bar looks the coolest? Fun zone. Which indoor playground do you love? Ding dong. Which doorbell sound do you like best? Snuggle time. Which rug would you walk on? Now pick your bathroom mirror. Which one suits your bathroom style best? Look up. Which ceiling lights shine the brightest? It's time to pick your dream library, where you read your favorite stories. Final choice? Sweet lovers? Which ice cream flavor is your favorite? Comment down below. That was amazing dream future house adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.